In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this BMW 550i. This is going to be located in the trunk on the right side. Let's get into it. In the trunk, we're going to remove this side cover. There's a push pin right here. I'm just going to use a trim tool, just get underneath it, pop this out. There should be another one right there. This vehicle doesn't have it. And I'm just going to lift up on the carpet underneath here. Just grab this piece, twist it to the side, and it comes right out. I'm going to remove this bar, use a 13mm socket, take this bolt out. Take this bolt out, same 13mm. Grab the bar, take that out. Using a 10mm socket, loosen up the nut on the negative terminal. Take that off. Set that aside. We're going to go to the positive terminal. There's a little door right here at the back. You want to pop that up so that you can access the nut. Use the same 10mm socket. Loosen that up. Pull that off. Now we're going to remove the hole down. Use a 10mm socket. Loosen up this long bolt right here. Pull that off. We can grab the battery. Pull it up slightly. There is a hose on the front. It's for a vent tube. I'm just going to use a trim tool. Pop that out. Grab the battery. Pull it up, make sure the wires are out of the way, and it comes right out. Now take the battery, just pull the wires out of the way. Now attach the vent tube, push that in place, push the battery back, and then take the mount, get that started, and snug this down. That's good. Now connect the positive terminal. Tighten that down. Give it a wiggle. That's tight. And close the door. Now connect the negative terminal. Snug that down and give it a wiggle. Make sure it's tight. That's good. Take the bracket. Get that lined up. Put the bolts in. Snug that down. Snug that down. Now take this panel, get this lined up. Take the carpet underneath, lift that up. Slide that in position. That's good. Take the push pins and push those in place. And if you have one right there, push that in place. And you're all set. That was an easy job. You're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.